My brothers and sisters, what I got by love, tears also flowed. You also lost a lot of money. If this love was for Allah Ta'ala, my Allah Ta'ala is so kind that she throws her lover into the fire and doesn't let it burn again. My Allah Ta'ala is so kind that she throws her lover in front of the crocodile and does not let him eat again. If you fall in love with my Allah, paradise you don't have to look for. Paradise itself will be looking for you.
सिदरा